Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 10th July 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 10th July in 1962 the world's first communication satellite Telstar was orbited by NASA from the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in the US via a Thor Delta rocket. With this, live television was possible. However, it has been active for only 7 months. So this is the history of the day of 10th July. Now let's see the current affair questions. So the first question is, which city of India became the world's second largest data center? भारत का कौन सा शहर दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डेटा सेंटर बन गया है? एंड द आंसर इज मुंबई, सिटी ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. इट बिकेम द second in the world and the first in Asia, and it is also known as the film city of India. Now moving towards second question, on whose name Indian Agriculture Research Institute new administrative and educational building has been named after? भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान संस्थान किसके नाम पर नए प्रशासनिक और शैक्षणिक भवन का नाम रखा गया है? And the answer is Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, who is the founder of Bharatiya Janasangh Party. Now let's see the third question. Which country has formally removed itself from the WHO, World Health Organization? किस देश ने विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन से औपचारिक रूप से खुद को हटा लिया है? एंड द आंसर इज America. Let me tell you about WHO, that World Health Organization was established in 1948. It has 194 member states. Headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland, and every year World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. Now the fourth question is, where is a new species of lizard have been found? छिपकली की नई प्रजाति कहाँ पाई गई है? And the answer is it has been found in the northern Karnataka, and the name of the species is Sitana dharvanensis is the name of the lizard. Now moving toward fifth question. Which two countries in Southeast Asia has eliminated rubella and measles ahead of 2023 target? दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया के किन दो देशों ने रुबेला और खसरा को 2030 लक्ष्य से आगे कर दिया है? एंड द आंसर इज मालदीव्स एंड श्रीलंका ऑफ द साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू द आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन विच आई हैव आस्क्ड फ्रॉम यू yesterday. So the question was, from which country does Oromo community belongs? And the answer is from the Ethiopia country. Now the second question which I have asked was, under which ministry does Central Drug Standard Control Organization comes? And the answer is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of luxury ride? And the second question is, name the third highest peak of Himachal Pradesh. If you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, tomorrow I will tell you. Till then, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.